Welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to see about the 10 Udemy courses which is offered for free. Out of these 10 courses, only one course is contained for research paper publication which will be useful for the faculties, and the other 9 courses are for the students of CSE department, ICT department, or the students who are all interested in software related learning. The first course which is offered, it is how to write and publish a research paper complete guide. The total rating of the course, it is 4 star. The course is the enrollment is we have to enroll before 1 day. The course code is 9.5 hours. It is a full lifetime access. It can be accessed on mobile and TV. The certificate of completion you will get the certificate of completion once you complete. The coupon code, it is paper 66. The second course in the list, it is crash course for new users for Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This course is a 1 hour course. It is a full lifetime access. It can be accessed in both mobile and TV. The offer will expire within 17 hours. The coupon code, it is free to 2020J. The third course in the list, it is IELTS Masterclass Ultimate Preparation Course for Academic. The coupon is valid only 2 days. The course includes, it is a 5.5 hour course, and it is a full lifetime access. All the courses which I am going to explain, everything is full lifetime access, and you will get a certificate for all the courses. I have shown the coupon code. I will give in the description box all the links where you can able to click the link directly and you can able to enroll. The link will have the coupon applied. The fourth course in the list, it is Python for beginners. It is the highest rated. It had only 2 hours when I was enrolling. That is the coupon. That is what I am telling. The offer is only for 2 hours when I was doing this recording. So I have enrolled very fastly. So the coupon. So I can't able to show the coupon code, but you can able to click the link in the description to enroll. The fifth course in the list, it is Learn Figma for Web Design User Interface UI UX in an hour. It is a 1 hour course. The coupon, it is designed for free. The sixth course in the list, it is Become a Master of Calculus 1. The coupon code is here. You can able to see it. It is a 15 hours course. The seventh course in the list, it is Big Data in Advertising, explained in plain English. So it is the least out of the second one. It has only 7 hours left, so enroll as early as possible. It is only 33 minutes on demand. And the eighth course in the list, it is the Metasploit course for ethical hackers. So this course is a 30 minutes on demand video. So it is the course which the coupon code, it is BUIIP1. The ninth course in the list, it is Machine Learning and Deep Learning in Python and R. It has the highest rating, 4.2. So the coupon code, it is JUL20AD. And the last course in the list, it is Master Your Laptop Hardware. This course, it is a 3.5 hour course. The length of the course, it is. This is the coupon code. I hope this video is useful for you. Try to enroll as early as possible, because the minimum, it is almost 1 hour only will be left for this course. So first I will request you to enroll this course, Python for beginners, and remaining courses you enroll later. Thank you. In the bottom description you will have all the link. Enroll as early as possible. Thank you.